Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today we'll be talking about this Lexus. This one's 2002, I believe. Gs300. If you have similar years. So to get to your first fuse box location, it will be right under the steering wheel. Right in here. And to open it, you just pull on this, that comes off, and there's your fuses. That's for the first one, and fuse location is gonna be right in here. To close it, same way how you took it off, you just line it up. There you go. And if you want to get to your OBD port scanner, like to scan a car, it's gonna be located also under the steering wheel, right in here. This part, you just pull on it, and there it is. This is to plug in the computer, to check the car, reset some stuff, or for DQ. So you get to your other, what you want to do is open the hood. And to open the hood, there's a lever right here. This lever. And your second one is going to be right in here. There's only like 2 fuses and mostly relays, and the information on the back of the cover. And your third one will be right in here. To open that, you can either pry this or push right there. When you push it, that comes off. There's your relays. Not sure if there's fuses in there, probably not. And it shows what it is on the back side of the cover. To put it back, just line it up. Make sure maybe you can't hear it click, but make sure it's locked. Check it. There's also this thing. Comment below if you know what this is. It says diagnosis, and not sure what that stands for. To diagnose something, maybe. If you know, comment below. Actually, there's another one. It's a fourth one. I just found out. There's this one right here. What you do is click here. It opens, and there's your fuses and relays. Information are right in here. To close it, just line it up. And there you go. So that's total of 4, but some of them was like relays. So if you know more, comment below. And if you have any other questions, you can also comment below. I'll see if I can answer them. If I can't, maybe someone else can. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching. Peace out.